Let's clear the confusion. Sunlight enters, heat builds up, the planet warms. That's not the problem. That's how Earth survives. This process is called the greenhouse effect. Sunlight passes through the atmosphere. The surface warms. Some heat escapes back to space. Some heat is trapped by gases like carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. Without this effect, Earth would be too cold for life. So here's the key point. The greenhouse effect is natural. It's necessary. It's always existed. Now let's separate it from what people confuse it with. Global warming is what happens when the greenhouse effect is intensified. When human activities add extra greenhouse gases, more heat gets trapped than the system is designed to handle. The balance shifts. Same mechanism, different scale. This distinction was clarified early by scientists studying Earth's energy balance, including Svante Arrhenius, who showed that increasing carbon dioxide could raise global temperatures. His work explained the mechanism long before the consequences were visible. Now let's make this visual. Imagine Earth wearing a blanket. A thin blanket keeps you warm. A thicker blanket traps more heat. The blanket didn't change. Its thickness did. That's the difference. Greenhouse effect. The blanket exists. Global warming. The blanket gets thicker. Now zoom out to the data. As greenhouse gas concentrations rise, average global temperatures rise, ice melts, sea levels increase, weather patterns shift. This warming isn't uniform. Some regions heat faster, others face heavier rainfall. Some experience longer droughts. That variability stresses systems. Now here's where confusion causes real damage. If people think the greenhouse effect itself is bad, they miss the real issue. The issue is excess. Managing climate risk means managing greenhouse gas levels, not eliminating the greenhouse effect. This distinction is central to climate policy and global planning. Organizations like the United Nations, guided by assessments from the Intergovernmental Panel on Climate Change, use this understanding to inform emissions targets, energy transitions, and long-term risk management. These decisions affect energy markets, infrastructure investment, insurance risk, public health planning. This is not a terminology debate. It's a systems problem. Before we end, zoom out one last time. The greenhouse effect explains how Earth stays warm. Global warming explains why that warmth is increasing. Confusing the two leads to bad decisions. Understanding the difference leads to smarter ones. In the next episode, we'll focus on air pollution, where we'll separate local pollution from climate change and see how both affect health, cities, and policy in very different ways. This series is part of the Learning Studio, where complex ideas are stripped of confusion and rebuilt with clarity and evidence. This isn't about arguing words. This is about understanding the system.